Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that Hyundai right here, Sonata 2008 model. We will show you how to replace the battery on that thing. Check out our main channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out our main channel, which is growing crazy fast. We have the Scion, Build and Fiesta ST as well. So that generation Sonata will be the same for the 4 and the 6 cylinder, guys, from 2006 I think all the way until 11. So we'll be using a battery that's not out of Sonata, but we'll show you how to replace it. So a battery located right here. What you need to do, that's the positive cover, you need to squish those and open the cover. And right here there is one bracket that holds the battery to the body, and you need to use a 12mm socket with extension. Okay, and once you get it loose, you'll be able to pull it out. Pull the bolt out, that's what the bolt looks like, right there. And we have the bracket now there. Okay, so we need to pull it out. Okay, that's the bracket. It goes like that. That's the one that keeps the battery secured. Now with a 10mm socket there, we need to loosen those terminals, negative and positive, and you go ahead and remove them next. We recommend using gloves. Okay, definitely using gloves. Don't ask why we don't. It's early in the morning, we're in a hurry, but never do that. Okay, battery is out of there, as you can see now. So if you have a original battery and you want to steal that soft thing, you could, but ours, well, it will fit. Okay, right there. And we'll go ahead and install that one, and it's time to put it back in the car now. Okay, in our case, I told you we don't have original battery. Okay, you need to go down there all the way so it gets squished there, because we have one from actually a Ford Focus that we're using until we find one, and the positive and the negative are switched. Okay, they're on this side instead of being there, but that's fine. I mean, the cables are long enough that it will work that way, but we recommend using the vehicle asks for. Okay, go ahead, close this one. Then all we gotta do now, just install the bracket. That's the not so fun part, because it's pretty tight there. Okay, we almost have it now. Okay, right there, and all we have now is we just need to put that bolt, get it tight. Okay, right there. And that will be the whole procedure, guys. Make sure that the battery is secured after that, it's not going anywhere, and you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and see if it starts quick. Okay, the moment of the truth. Let's see if it starts now. Yep, no problem. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.